Hello Nigerians, how are you doing today? I've come with good news to those who want to seize this kind of opportunity or who have been looking for a way to get POS, but the charges to start the business have been a problem. If you have had people told you bring 20,000, 25,000, 30,000, 40,000 naira to get a POS and that have impeded you from moving forward, here's the good news. You will get this for free. Mark that statement, mark that word. You will get this one for free. Now, how do you get it? Now, you can get back to me to know how to get it, but let me give you some tips of the iceberg why you need this. Now, you can transfer as high as 500,000 naira on a single transaction on this POS machine, and you will not be charged more than 20 naira. Mark that word as well. Even if you send even if you take card withdrawal for even 500,000, you will not be charged more than 200 naira as a charge. Now imagine yourself being the business owner doing such a business. How much would you charge to transfer 500 naira for your client? How much would you charge to withdraw 500,000 naira for your client? You can see there's a potential for profit here. Seize the moment, get back to me, let's talk about it. Thank you and God bless you. Waiting for you.